kids.
Hi.
Hi, Atara. Hi. Say hi.
Still questioning me.
Mm.
The parrot wants to talk to you.
Hi, the parrot wants to talk to you. Hi,
Yes, the
Atara.
parrot. Hello. The
Hi.
parrot's talking to you.
Yes.
Mommy, the parrot.
The parrot is imitating mommy.
Yes.
Oh, we open. Oh, what is inside the box? What is it?
Jai.
Oh, what's inside? What's inside?
The Titanic.
Titanic again. How come it's always Titanic?
I like Titanic on my. Open.
Okay, we open. Video should be one.
Why?
Game, we will open the box. What's inside the box? We will get one first, ha? Only one first. Because there's two items in the box. We need to video it another one. Another video, ha? We make another video.
Hamster.
Oh, yes. Tada!
Cat!
Ah!
It's my cat.
Okay, Kuya, you excited?
Yes.
You can play? Oh, wait.
It's my
Yes,
toy.
eh?
Yeah,
Yes.
no, my toy.
Wow, so cute! The eyes. It's Poopalots. It will poops.
Yuck.
It will poops.
The neat white. Oh, poops.
It includes
That's the poops.
food and poops.
Yeah. I don't like poop and poops. Yeah. This poops here.
Yes, this is the poop. So the brown one is the poops. The light one is the food. It's the food. And this one, the bag where you can put the
We
poops.
need to put in a trash can.
Yes, this one. I poop. Poopalots. There are three kinds of poopalots. There's a unicorn, dinosaur, and the llama. Wokalots pala, wokalots. There are three kinds of wokalots. The unicorn, the dinosaur, and the llama. Okay, poopalots for real, Hasbro. Okay. See, let's wait lang ha. You can connect and walk and feed the cat. See, this one is for the scooping of the poops. The orange one, see oh. Scoop the poops. Scoop the poop if the cat poops. Oh, come on, let's open. Let's open that. Okay.
There's
Oh,
string.
wait.
There's
Oh, yes,
string.
there's string. There's string here.
Pink string.
Yes, there's a pink string.
What's the string?
This for the string.
Yucky poops.
Yucky poops. Like, there's a wheels on the bottom. So you can push it.
Yeah.
Yucky.
I don't like the poops. I have to put on the trash can. Wheels.
Yes, you can push the wheels. Wait, Atara.
It's too hot.
Yes.
Nice.
See, there's a collar. Wait lang, Atara.
That's one.
It's not yet. See, there's a wheels.
Poops. I
There's a
want.
tail. Wait lang, wait. And
Blanket.
I think we should get the food and the poops. Get it, Nemo. As much as I want to destroy this one.
My kitty.
Like the kitty.
It's so cute.
We remove the poop bag and the food.
Yucky
The poops.
poop.
What is it, Kuya? Oh, the food. Get the food, please.
I need poops.
The poops and the food.
Poops. Yeah. There.
Why you're smelling it?
The poops.
Why you're smelling the
Eat it.
poops?
It's food. No, yucky.
You share, Atara. You get everything. Ayan, it's got stuck na. Sit down. And the food. You can feed the cat.
This. Wow.
Okay, so we open.
I can eat this.
Oh, wait. You feed the cat.
No, yucky. The poops.
The poops?
Yes. That is good.
You feed the cat.
Yeah.
The cat is hungry. You need to feed the cat.
It's all the food. Scooper. No, bye. Scooper.
We open the inside. Wow, see? There's a leash. See? The leash. And another.
It poops.
Then the manual. You feed, see? It says
Oh no.
one. You put the leash together. Then feed.
Yeah.
It will pop.
There's no
And you scoop the pop. And you can put it here at the leash.
Mommy.
Wow. Okay, let's assemble it.
Yeah.
Okay, mommy will assemble the leash.
Eat the cat.
Oh no, what's happening?
Scooper. I need Scooper.
Wait lang ha. This for this one, oh, see? It's for this one.
Use your poops. Yucky poops. We
Yucky
need to get the Scooper.
Okay, wait. This one is for the clip. You should put the clip first.
The Scooper now. Scooper, there's poops.
Oh, wait lang ha.
Yeah! They're inside.
It's inside.
They're turning poops.
Because once you eat, you should poop. Right?
Eat your food.
Don't shake like that.
Ah! Poops!
Let it pops.
Your tail's moving.
Atara, don't shake it like that.
It's the wheel.
See?
The poop.
I put.
The cat poop.
See?
Can I?
See what happened to the tail? Oh, see?
Put it here. This is the small one. And I'll grab the poops. Okay. No, yes. I got one.
You got one.
Yes, I got poops. Hey, no. I need to get poops. Get poops. There is that one.
Wow, Atara.
I got poops. I got poops.
So we will.
There is.
Wow.
I get all the poops.
Oh, very good. So I will put the leash, huh? The leash here. I will put it together.
Mommy,
Yes. Is it?
it's under there. It's using your poops.
Yes. That's good.
It's so smelly.
Why you love this? You love to smell it?
No, it's so very smelly. The poops, the cat poops.
See? This one. You put it here.
Can
You
I?
Clip it. Oh,
Can
lock
I?
it. Wait lang, kuya. Wait. We're assembling it, please. Then,
No.
there's another one. Where is it?
It's missing.
Here. Here, it should be here. Here, lock it here. See?
That's that
And
one.
this one. You can add another pet here, Another pet. 2 more small pet. Then we put it here.
Put
Then we
it.
lock it.
Put it here.
Okay, then we put it here. Clap it here. For the poops clump. See? Wow.
There it is.
Then we
Hold it.
put it in the leash, please. Wow, see? You try to push the puppy.
So yuppie.
Wow, see?
Yep. Put them there.
Put it there, kuya.
Put
Help
them.
Atara. Help Atara to
There it is.
put the poops.
Put the poop. There's more. Put them.
So poopalots don't have sound?
Guys, don't take it.
But don't shake it. The cat is just eating, huh?
The cat's eating.
The other one, Kuya, have sound. The llama have sound. The llama we video tomorrow, huh?
No,
Huh?
not tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Tomorrow na.
Where is the cat? The cat. They're going to poops. Poops. Scoop it. Scoop it. Their poops fell down. Scoop it. Scoop it.
Scoop it. Faster, scoop it.
Their poops fell down. No.
You scoop the pops, faster.
Scoop the poops.
Scoop the pops, please.
Scoop. Put it in the mouth. In the mouth here. The mouth.
Okay. You feed the cat. You feed the cat. You give it to Ata, Kuya. Or put it down. Put it down.
I
Put it
need the
down.
poops. I need the poops.
Kuya. Kuya is scooping the pops.
There is a good one. I got one. Let's do.
So it's moving like.
I got the other. Wow. The poops.
It's pooping.
Feed the cat. Feed the cat.
Oh, feed the cat. Feed the cat. Feed the cat. Feed the.
The poops.
Feed the cat. Feed the cat.
Put one. This one. There. Oh, put the cat on the floor. With the poops.
Oh, see?
It fell down.
It's fell down. Don't touch it. You're touching the pops, eh? If it's real pop, it's already smelly. You're holding it by your hand. That's why there's scoop.
I got one.
Wow.
I scooped one. I can manage them. There's one, there's two. Get one. I got one.
Oh, Atara have a new pet. The cat. Atara have a new pet. The cat. Wow. Meow. Meow.
That was me.
Meow.
Oh, yeah. Ah! Just don't you. Ah! Look away. The cat is there.
It's eating food. Wow.
Food. The goat. The goat. I want to see the goat. I want to see it. It's cute.
So there's a sound. Why the other one doesn't make a sound?
The cat. The cat. I want the poops.
Kuya and Atara is very happy with the pops.
No. Ah! Oh no. Oh yeah! Poops.
Oh no, scoop the pops, please. Scoop the pops.
Oh yeah.
There's a lot. Oh, Kuya is helping. Kuya is helping Atara scoop the
I'll
pops.
put in the jar. No. Ah! Oh, I can. Oh no! Put in the jar. Ada, can you put this here? Put this.
So you're putting the pops in the jar? So you're
Just
putting
so.
the pops in the jar?
Because I'm gonna keep taking it away because there's a cat.
And Elijah are enjoying playing together. You want to pick, Kuya?
No, I need to go there.
Bye. You want to play na? Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Say Atara, goodbye. Goodbye. Atara, say goodbye first. Atara.
Yeah. Scoop it.
Instead of saying goodbye, you're scooping the pops.
Scoop it. Scoop the
What happened?
Here. Scoop it.
What happened to the pops?
Yes.
The pops.
The poops. Oh no.
What happened to the cat? He tumbled down. And then you're holding the pops. It's so dirty. In real life, it's dirty.
Close it.
Close it. Go.
I close it.
Oh, you close
Put it to
it.
the hanger here.
Oh, you close it. Put it in the hanger.
Here. Nah.
Okay. Oh no, Atara.
It won't.
Well, kuya, say goodbye. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.